Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ashwini Patore, cardiovascular and respiratory consultant physiotherapist at Parry Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation, Kharghar. We all are 1 year into this pandemic and we all need to keep our lungs normal and healthy. So here we are to help you with some breathing exercises to keep them healthy. People who have been previously affected due to COVID, who are currently fighting the disease, and who are not yet exposed to the disease will gain a lot of benefits from these exercises. Those are breathing exercises. We all already know and have a lot of information on how this disease affects our lungs and respiratory system. So in this video, I will be telling you about the benefits of breathing exercises and how these exercises you can do at home. So in the following video, you will get to see those. We will see the breathing mechanism. When we breathe in through the nose, the air gets collected in the lungs. When you breathe in, the diaphragm moves down, creating space for the lungs. When you breathe out, the diaphragm moves up, expelling the air out. In the next picture, we'll see the diaphragm up close. It's the muscle which helps to move the chest forward and allow the lung to expand. So the lungs get extra space. Benefits of breathing exercises: improving lung capacity, reducing breathlessness, reducing fatigue, and increasing oxygenation. We'll see what breathing exercises we can do at home. First is diaphragmatic breathing or deep breathing. Breathing in through nose and letting the abdomen rise, and breathing out through mouth, let the abdomen go in. Chest expansion. Take hands straight up in the air, breathe in through nose, hold for 3 seconds and breathe out while taking your hands down. Third, keeping hands across on the chest, breathing in through nose and breathing out through mouth. Fourth exercise is pursed lip breathing, where we breathe in for 2 counts and breathe out through mouth for 4 counts. The next exercise is a coughing technique for those who have cough. Breathe in through nose, hold it for 3 seconds and cough out and spit out whatever comes in your mouth. Shoulder shrugs. This can be added with your breathing in. While you raise your shoulder, breathe in. While you relax your shoulder, breathe out. High marching and sitting. This can be done by sitting on a bed or sitting in a chair. Take your knee towards the chest, breathe in, and while relaxing, breathe out. Next is water blowing exercise. Take a glass of water, put a straw in water and blow out in the water. Repeat it for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat all the exercise 8 to 10 times each. Do all the exercise 2 to 3 times every day.